Hey, welcome to How's Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to fix Wi-Fi is not connecting and not working on my laptop, Windows 10. Right-click on the Start menu icon and select Device Manager from the list. Look for Network Adapters. Select your network connection adapter, like Intel R82574L for us. Right-click on it and select Update Drivers. Click on Browse My Computer for driver software. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver and click on Next. Wait until it is done. Click on Close. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!